How to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity easily and fast. Hello guys, so what you wanna do to fix this problem is actually so easy. Open your Instagram and then you have to go to your profile. Click on the top corner on those three lines, click on settings, click on this help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking, and now here you have to explain the problem that you have and send a screenshot of it, and then click next. After that, go back to your profile again on Instagram, click on edit profile, and then you have to change all your informations from the name, username, the profile photo, and the bio also, and then click yes, confirm from here, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.